Hello everyone, this is Edonji Emmanuel. Welcome to my comprehensive guide on tying different tie knots for every occasion. I'm going to teach you how to tie a tie, whether you are heading to a job interview, a special event, or a simple one to upgrade your professional look. I've got you covered. With step-by-step instruction and detailed demonstration, you will learn how to master a variety of knots, including the 4 enhanced knots, half Windsor knots, and full Windsor knots or double Windsor knots. Actually, there are so many types of knots, but these are the common knots every man should know. Some years ago, a fellow church member faced a difficult situation on his wedding day. He couldn't figure out how to tie a tie. Seeking assistance, he approached someone respected, only to discover that he was equally no knowledge about tying a tie. So he had to call me for assistance. On another occasion, I was going to church with a friend who was wearing a tie when someone urgently asked him for help. Realizing my friend was also unfamiliar with the skill, I discreetly intervened, taking the tie in a wise manner, noting it for the gentleman. This experience underscores the importance of learning to tie a tie, as it can unexpectedly come to the aim of others. So grab your favorite tie and let's get started. We are going to handle half Windsor knot first, after which the rest will follow. So this is how the half Windsor knot goes. This is your tie. So I want you to look at what I'm doing slowly and then also do it.